15 bad habits that age you faster without you noticing it. With the possible exception of teenagers, almost everyone wishes to appear younger. That is why the anti-aging industry is so large. People spend hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars each year to appear younger. While costly creams and beautification procedures help, the best investment is in the changes we make in our lives and daily routines. Here are 15 poor behaviors that will make you look older than you think. Number 1. Overindulging. If you frequently indulge in desserts and other goodies like pastries and candy bars, you may find yourself aging prematurely. Sugar not only causes widespread inflammation in the body, which can lead to disease, but it also has a direct impact on appearance. Sugar molecules start a biological reaction that makes you look weary, puffy, and wrinkled. Let us not forget that succumbing to temptation on a regular basis might lead to a loss of confidence and self-trust. A healthy diet that is consistent can help you achieve more of what you want, leading to a happier, more youthful future. Number 2. Not getting enough sleep. Sleeping less than 7 hours every night on a regular basis has been proved in scientific research to shorten your life. It will also make you appear and feel more older than you actually are. For one thing, not getting enough sleep depletes you of the mental and physical stamina required to get through a typical day, making it harder to succeed in your personal or professional life. Second, not getting enough sleep is taxing on your body, especially your important organs like the brain and heart. Sleep's healing and cleansing processes are critical for a strong, resilient mind and body. Melatonin, for example, assists to cellular repair, which helps to prevent cancer. During sleep, human growth hormone is also produced, which offers us good muscle tone and youthful vigor. Number 3. Your sleeping habits. Sleeping with your face pressed on a pillow might make you appear decades older. Constantly pressing your face against a pillow causes skin harm. As collagen degrades over time, this stress, exacerbated by the friction of a cotton pillowcase, can cause permanent lines in your face. The decreased circulation to the region of the face crushed against the pillow also compromises the skin's capacity to repair itself. To solve this issue, consider sleeping on your back. Use a silk pillowcase instead, which not only reduces friction but also includes amino acids comparable to those found in moisturizers. As a result, they do not absorb moisture from your face in the same manner that regular pillowcases do. Crash dieting is number 4. Who wouldn't want to shed 10 pounds before a long-awaited vacation? While quick remedies are appealing, crash dieting is not. It is not a sustainable solution. In fact, it could pose a long-term harm. Crash dieting, according to research, can make you feel older since it lowers your energy levels, interferes with your attention, and makes you unhappy and angry. Because the skin does not have time to acclimatize to the weight loss, crash dieting can result in wrinkles and sagging. Weight management is obviously vital for health. However, do not attempt to drop more than 1 or 2 pounds per week. Number 5. Only exercising to lose weight. If your workout routine begins on January 1st and lasts only until you can fit back into your jeans, you may be depriving yourself of longevity. Numerous studies demonstrate that regular exercise helps to avoid age-related disorders and extends life. Daily exercise reduces cortisol levels while increasing helpful hormones. It also aids in the control of high blood pressure, the improvement of mood, and the maintenance of strength and flexibility as we age. It's crucial to appreciate moving your body and the surge of blood, perspiration, and endorphins that comes with it. Make exercise a pleasurable tradition rather than a dreaded chore. 6. Not making time for yourself. When was the last time you took some time for yourself? Whether it was an evening or simply an hour, while this may seem difficult to many of us, the truth is that no one will ever make time for you. It's something you owe to yourself, and it's a crucial step toward preventing premature aging. Begin by establishing tiny me-time rituals throughout the day, even if it's as simple as a quick journal entry before bed or a morning walk around the block. Small acts of self-love go a long way toward self-satisfaction and, eventually, long-term wellness. 7th. Drinking from bottles and using straws. It may be difficult to believe, but drinking from a bottle or via a straw, like any repeated muscle motion, can cause small lines and creases around your lips. Dermatologists recommend that people who are prone to fine lines and wrinkles around their mouth avoid using straws and instead drink directly from a glass. If you can't stop drinking from bottles, consider relaxing your upper lip to help prevent wrinkles. Number 8. Keeping grudges. Life is far too brief and precious to harbor grudges. Learning to forgive and let go may add years to your life and make the years you do have far more productive. You might even discover that frowning causes fewer wrinkles. According to research, forgiving improves physical, psychological, and spiritual well-being. Lower blood pressure, less depression, less stress, and less worry are all advantages. Number 9. Failure to use sunscreen every day. One of the primary causes of aging skin is overexposure to UV light. Even on cloudy days, it is important to use sunscreen because clouds only block roughly 20% of UV rays. Furthermore, UV rays generate free radicals, which can harm your collagen, elastin, and skin cells. To prevent or reverse the indications of premature aging on your skin, use a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Sweating the small stuff? No. 10. Stress clearly hastens the aging process by generating a chemical imbalance in the body. The impacts of stress are not immediately evident because they are more internal, but if we are regularly stressed, we will notice it. So, if possible and appropriate, roll with the punches, go with the flow, and laugh things off. Recognize that even the most dire conditions are only temporary. Being optimistic is an excellent approach to protect oneself against premature aging. Number 11, rub your eyes. You should avoid rubbing your eyes if you wish to look younger. Rubbing your eyes degrades collagen and suppleness in the area, resulting in wrinkles and damaged capillaries. Instead of rubbing tired or irritated eyes, try brewing 2 green tea bags, allowing them to cool, and placing them over your eyes for 10 minutes. 12th, working too hard. Putting your career ahead of your physical health or home and family can help you advance in your career, but it comes at a cost. Simply put, doing everything possible at work to advance your career may result in a promotion, but is it worth looking and feeling much older? When you work an excessive amount of overtime, problems arise. When you add 10 or 20 hours to a 40-hour work week, there isn't much time for exercise, relaxing with friends and family, or even sleeping. Working long hours can also make it difficult to eat well, with many workaholics turning to fast food to get by. Many people are 1 or 2 steps ahead in their careers, but far behind in every other aspect of their lives as a result of this situation. 13. Central air and heating. Dry skin can be caused by low humidity environments, such as those created by central heating and air conditioning. And dry skin accentuates wrinkles, despite the fact that it does not cause wrinkles. Rather than turning up the heat or air conditioner, it's best to warm or cool your body by putting on or taking off layers of clothing. 14. Using alcohol as a stress reliever. While a glass of wine once or twice a week is certainly not a problem, using alcohol as an escape from daily problems may cause you to age before your time. Not only because of the physical effects of alcohol, such as inflammation and a slower metabolism, but also because this indicates that issues are unresolved and trapped within. Instead of reaching for a glass at the end of a long day, try writing down what is bothering you to gain perspective. Even this minor action relieves stress and may bring clarity and resolution to a problem. No. 15. Smoking. It's no secret that smoking is harmful to one's health. But did you know it's also bad for your appearance? Cigarettes contain chemicals that, when inhaled, stain everything they come into contact with, including skin, teeth, eyes, and even hair. Of course, this does not take into account the fact that excessive smoking can lead to a variety of serious health problems, affecting parts of our bodies beneath the skin. Smoking, for example, can cause serious damage to the mouth, throat, and lungs. It can make you appear much older than you are. According to studies, smoking not only shortens your life by increasing your risk of heart and lung disease, but it also activates enzymes that break down the elasticity of your skin. Even if you're a secret smoker, the fine wrinkles and pale appearance caused by cigarettes can give you away yet another reason to quit smoking. Consider yourself in 5, 10, or 20 years. Will you be young, strong, and age gracefully, or will you appear to be older than your actual age? It's critical to understand that you have a choice. Because aging is a slow and gradual process that happens over time, it's the little things you do every day that can determine how healthy and happy you'll be later in life. Fortunately, the lifestyle choices and habits that promote wellness as you age are also excellent ways to care for yourself right now. It is never too early or too late to start living a healthier lifestyle. As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, tell us how you keep your skin looking young, or what changes you intend to make. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that we can continue to make them. For more videos like this, click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Also, make sure to check out our other videos. Thank you for tuning in.